Today we're bringing some extra security to our front door with the help of our new solar security camera from Xsense. It's high quality, gives you two-way audio, has night vision, notification alerts, playback history, and so much more. And it all comes shipped to your door, ready to protect your property too. All you need to set up is a power drill. Inside the box, you can find your user manual, your solar panel with the USB-C plug, a mounting bracket for your solar panel, a USB-C charging cable for your camera, hardware, a mounting bracket for your camera, and then your Xsense security camera. On the back of the camera, you have a speaker, as well as a tripod hole to mount your camera. Then underneath, you have a charge port, power button, and micro SD card slot. To get started, screw down your camera mount in an area within range of Wi-Fi. Then screw on the security camera and tighten that down so it's pointed in the general direction you want. We'll adjust this later. Then screw down the solar panel mount and rotate on your solar panel until it's locked into place. Angle it towards the sun, then take your power cable and plug it into the bottom of the security camera. And like that, your camera is installed and charging from the sun. To connect your phone to the camera, download the Xsense app, click Add Device, select Cameras, and push and hold the power button on your camera until it lights up and beeps. Select that you heard the sound, and click Next. Type in your Wi-Fi and it begins pairing. Then you can pick your name and location for the device. It then gives you installation tips and finishes setup. Now I can go into my Xsense app and find a feed for the smart camera. Open it up, and there you are, ready to talk to yourself. Here you can record or take pictures. Turn on the sound and listen, enable an alarm, turn on a bright white light, or hold to speak to the person at your door. Then you can go into the history and see a list of events that happened in front of your camera. Here you can mark important events, or even download the clip. And believe it or not, this service is free. Most cameras I've tested have a paid service you can use to review clips, but Xsense offers general coverage for free. You could pay a service fee if you want extra smart features like recognizing people and pets or detection areas. But for me, the free option is perfect. The first night we had this camera, a dog came to our door and I was able to talk to him, as well as turn on the light to see him better. I get notifications when our farm cat comes to the door, and I can see when packages are dropped off. The peace of mind has been great. Now we can know who comes to our door, talk to them, and always know what's going on our property. And of course, it pairs with all the other Xsense products, so you can have all your smart house features under one app. That's probably my favorite part. So if you're looking for a camera to secure your house, this solar camera from Xsense might just be for you. Till next time, I'm off to go see who's came to the door today. See ya!